Shuba to welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Team BGB Lifestyle with Nkupi the Entertainer. Let's go and check out what's happening here at the Team BGB firm. Let's go. Bareng, back from the Dyno. I found someone who was at maybe, I think it's Dyno or what. And let's go and see how it is. Let's go see how the car is. Shady at the man. Bareng. Shapuzit. I don't know if it's so no tell. Go on a dilo. Shap Fili. Le file grand. Yeah, it's a little tababo. It's a little tababo. I think an hour. Yeah. Go village. Oh, so. Yeah. Mono. Uhana blind. Wahana mdiman. Ki wishing star. Diman aba mona swanje ba make a wish. Wahana. Kanonyo ko poser. Ah. Ah, what? Ungalavely, guys. Ungalavely. We say we're gonna come back tomorrow, and tomorrow we're gonna make another. Tomorrow we'll make another vlog, and we'll test drive it because those we're still waiting for some other stuff. A little old Dave Dyno. Ah, Dyno would say at Swing. Ah, lunch here is on your time. Good. Oh, Jodala, usa Jodala. Yeah, cool. I'm killing. Oh, good to know, John. That's TV like a thriller. And guy, name. Yep, back from the Dyno. Yeah. Makima bahambe bavaile. Awa. M20. Here M20 re. Hey, what's it? Mara o dirile ka mogho ba nya ka no. No. Eish. Mugay. Mu, yeah. Oh. Eba. Mara M20 botsana go le bra. Amara ka ntshele go. Awa. Amara botsana. Mo mara. Mara le khono gana ka koloi mon yo e la khono gana ka ke bona e la khono o gana ka yona e gape le gana ka yona go lebe swantse mane a isa ya go khale le change it e bona le busy le fa bophelo ha re ke le bophelo palla go le dark yeah blind Blind. Yeah, exit is loaded and let me leave. Yeah, guys, today. Yeah. Yeah, guys, the car is back and tomorrow we'll be here again and we'll give it a test run. Tomorrow it will get a test run. Today, we're gonna call it a day. That is all we have for this episode of Team BGB Lifestyle. And I'm asking beautiful great fun to be the entertainer. Let's call it a day. Signing out. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.